Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be playing Wolf Simulator again, and I hope you guys enjoy. So, I never really told you why I'm not in Minecraft yet. The world is that, I can't, you have to like sign in or something, and I can't do that. I forgot my password and only my dad knows it, so I'll have to ask him when I go back there. So, I thought that you guys might want to watch some more Wolf Simulator. I don't know if you guys enjoy this at all, but I sure do, and I'm so sorry, but today I am only going to be able to do the video until this clock down here says 5:40. Because I need to do something on Star Stable again, my 6 o'clock race, and I stopped 20 minutes early because I know it's silly, but I actually do, I like to take care of them before, my horse that I ride. I like to take care, oh dang, I forgot about that. I like to give them my horse, Wish Brother, a bath before I, do the race. Ugh, time is rolling. I wish there was Horse Simulator. I would totally play that. Ugh, stupid thing. Hello, wake up! Okay, literally this has been like 59 million seconds. Ugh, come on, Wolfie. Wolfie, wake up. Okay, there we go. I just have to make him do the attacking thing in order to... Okay. The wolf hunters set up red flags throughout the forest to intimidate us, but we are not afraid, are we? Please break all these red flags because I'm afraid. Oh, look. The special little arrow. Now, I'm just gonna... I don't really know, but I think that somebody asked me to tell me what I look like. Okay, yeah, so, and what my names are. So, my name is Alpha in the game, and my current level is 2, but I need to be level 3 before I could have a puppy. And then this one is Wolfie, and he is current level 1. So I'm going to need to eat some food in order to, level up. I think that's how it works. I wish I could go faster. I don't actually know how to do that. Are you ready? 5. Sorry, my gym song. For Tabata. Are you ready? 5, 4. I know I could easily be going faster, but unfortunately, I don't really know how to do that. I've been playing this before, guys, but, yeah, I forgot all the controls, because it was a very long time ago. Oh, great, now we're gonna run into that cougar, and it's trying to try to eat me, and then I'm gonna have to kill the poor cougar, which I don't really like doing. Wait, great, the red flag is straight in the direction of that cougar. And he already sees me. Don't you even think that you can sneak attack me. I'm sorry, I didn't want this to happen. You left me with no choice. Ugh, stupid thing. Don't you even think you're gonna win this war. Eat! I needed food. Okay, wait a minute. How does that even work? Is there like a cave? Or... Oh yeah, I think it's this cave. I think I know this. Oh great, yeah, there is totally just like... Oh, it's probably a cave underground. Uh-oh. Stupid thing. You're totally leading me in the wrong direction. Oh, great. Stupid tiger. Oh, no. I don't like to be in wall. Oh, stupid thing. No. No, I am not dying in this video, too. And yes, I did die last time. I'm sorry, little tiger. Cougar, but you left me with no choice. Nope, just no choice. You just, up and die. Just die. That's all I can say to you. Yes, food. Hey, if they would just leave me alone, I would do nothing. Oh, great, it's right in the village. That's perfect. There's always, like, an animal, like a sheep, that comes up to me, and I think that it's trying to attack me, and so I, like, kill it, and then later on I research it, and sheepies can't actually kill. I did that yesterday. Yesterday. So, yesterday, you know when I said that if you guys gave me 5 subscribers, that I would continue doing 3 days a week? Well, I misspoke. I meant one video per 2 days, if not 1 video per day. Ah, great, stupid lake. But yeah, so that's what I meant. I meant that if you can get me to 5 subscribers or more, I'll actually do a little celebration if it gets to 10 subscribers eventually. Just a small one though. But all I would do is I would probably just play Minecraft, and I would get you guys, I would make a video, and then I would get you that's weird. Okay, never mind. This water totally confused me because I thought that I was being pushed away. And I was like, wait, what? Okay, so I'm going to have to stop this in like 2.5 milliseconds. So, yeah, I'm sorry. Okay. But after my race, if I have time, I will totally, do another video, because, that's what I do. Okay, more videos. I think I saw them from far away. Oh, yeah, there it is. I said. See you next time, stupid flag that you made me cross the whole entire world to get to. Like, literally, I had to cross the entire world. Like, seriously. I have been far, ooh, why? Great, not a foxy. I don't want to have to kill a foxy. That would be mad, bad, but. Where? Okay, there. Jeez, they really did put all these, flags in the same direction. Whoopsies, turning the wrong way. I can't wait until, I can't wait until tonight after dinner, because I've got a really special advent calendar. Ugh, stupid cougar, don't you even think that I didn't see you. I am totally feeding you to that person over there. My mate. Thank you. Please. These people, they barely help me. Okay, pick up food. Let me do something quickly. Feed. Feed. What? I can't give him anything? Ugh, that's sad. I would totally give him some more attack, because he totally, does nothing. Is it time to do Tabata? Ugh, stop singing that. Today I had gym, and we sang. No, we didn't sing that. We listened to it while doing a warm up. Ooh, horsey! But no, I'm not going to kill that with my wolfie. I just don't do that, unfortunately. I'm gonna come say hi, horsey. Hi, horsey. Ah, good horsey. I'm gonna nickname you Maple, okay? Because that's what my friend's horse is. And because you totally suit the name. Ooh, I got 3 stars. Continue. Where's the... Uh-oh. Okay. Oh, no. What happened? Okay, guys. I've got to go. See you guys next time. Please, I hope you enjoyed this video. Say goodbye to Bunny Man. See you, Bunny Man. Have a nice day. Bye. Goodbye.